Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, A Monk in Cloud. In this video, we are going to talk about the 10 essential steps that will help you to become a cloud engineer. The first step would be to understand the fundamentals. To start your journey, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of fundamental concepts of cloud computing. Learn about virtualization, networking, storage, and security. Familiarize yourself with cloud service models such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. This foundational knowledge will serve as the building blocks for your cloud engineering career. Second step would be to acquire technical skills. Cloud engineers needs to possess a wide range of technical skills, master at least one major cloud platform such as AWS, Azure, or GCP. Develop proficiency in cloud-related technologies such as containerization with Docker and orchestration with Kubernetes. Gain expertise in scripting languages like Python or Bash. The more diverse your skill set, the better equipped you will be to handle complex cloud environments. Step number 3 would be to obtain relevant certifications. Certifications can significantly enhance your credibility as a cloud engineer. Explore certifications offered by major cloud providers such as AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Azure Administrator, or GCP Cloud Architect. These certifications validate your knowledge and skills, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Step number 4 would be to gain hands-on expertise. Theory alone isn't enough in cloud engineering field. Seek opportunities to gain practical experience, hands-on experience, and cloud technologies. Work on a professional project or a personal project that could be contribute to open source projects or join hackathons and coding competitions. Additionally, consider internship or entry-level positions that provide exposure to real-world cloud environments. Step number 5 would be to collaborate and network. Building connections with the cloud computing community can be invaluable. Engage with like-minded professionals and on forums, social media, and industry events. Attend conferences, meetups, and webinars to expand your network. Collaborate on projects and join online communities to share knowledge and stay updated on the latest cloud trends. Step number 6 would be to stay updated with cloud innovations. The cloud industry is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest cloud innovations, tools, and services. Subscribe to industry-level blogs, follow influencers, and participate in webinars and online courses. Continuous learning will keep your skills relevant and help you adapt to the new technologies and trends. Step number 7 would be to develop problem-solving skills. Cloud engineers encounter various challenges while designing, deploying, and managing cloud solutions. Cultivate your problem-solving skills by tackling complex scenarios and troubleshooting issues. Practice analyzing and resolving problems efficiently to become an effective cloud engineer. Embrace automation and DevOps practices. Automation and DevOps play a vital role in cloud engineering. Familiarize yourself with infra as a code tools such as Terraform or AWS CloudFormation, which can help you to automate infrastructure provisioning. Learn about continuous integration and deployment with CI/CD pipelines and configuration management tools like Ansible and Puppet. Embracing these practices will enhance your effectively and productivity as a cloud engineer. Develop soft skills. In addition to technical skills, soft skills are equally important in cloud engineering roles. Enhance your communication, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. Develop the ability to work in cross-functional teams, understand business requirements, and effectively communicate technical concepts to a non-tech stakeholder. So these skills will make you well-rounded and sort of a good cloud engineer. Step number 10 would be to never stop learning. The cloud industry is constantly evolving, so embrace a mindset of lifelong learning. Continuously explore new technologies, take part in professional development programs, and pursue advanced certifications. By staying curious and adaptive, you will remain at the forefront of the cloud engineering field. So congratulations, guys, you have a roadmap to becoming a cloud engineer. Remember, it takes time, dedication, and passion for learning. Embrace the journey and soon you will reach new heights in your cloud computing career. So that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed. And that's it. Thank you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.